सर, एक केंद्रीय मंत्री ऐसी भाषा कैसे बोल सकते हैं? मुझे
Leader of the opposition, honorable, please take your seat. Honorable leader of the opposition. Yes.
देखिए साहब, मैं बहुत देर से अपना हाथ उठा के रखा था, लेकिन जब लीडर ऑफ द हाउस कुछ बात बोले तो उससे मेरी सहमति नहीं थी, इसीलिए मैंने उंगली उठा के आपका ध्यान आकर्षण करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन आपने मुझे मौका नहीं दिया। आप मंत्री को बुला लिए, तो ये अच्छा नहीं। आप तो कहते हैं
मेरे पर आरोप लगाने की बजाय
नहीं आरोप नहीं, इम्पार्शियलिटी।
आप हर बार कहते हो कि मैं मंत्री
सर,
को
हम
फेवर
पॉइंट
करता हूं,
आउट कर रहे हैं आपको,
लीडर ऑफ द हाउस को फेवर करता हूं।
आपका ध्यान खींचने के लिए मैंने हाथ उठाया। मैं कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं किया, मैं कुछ बोला नहीं, सिर्फ हाथ उठाया।
आप मुद्दे पर आइए, मेरे को आरोपित क्यों?
नहीं, मैं मुद्दे पे ही आता हूँ।
आज का कोटा पूरा हो गया है,
अगर आप नहीं, अगर आपका ध्यान इधर आ गया तो मुद्दे पे आऊंगा मैं। अब आप मेरे तरफ देख रहे, जरूर मैं मुद्दे पे आऊंगा।
बोलिए
सर, जब हमारे नड्डा साहब जी जो नेता इस सदन के हैं, उन्होंने ये कहा जब आपको चाहिए तब आप 0 आवर बोलते हैं, जब आपको नहीं चाहिए तो आप उसको नकारते हो। तो ये एक ही स्टैंड लेना चाहिए, या तो आप मानना चाहिए या नहीं तो जो कानून के तहत नहीं है, रूल्स के तहत, उसको नहीं मानना। सर, आप जो सारी बातें बोलते हैं सरकार, उसको विपक्ष हर बात को आपके हाँ में हाँ मिलाना जरूरी है, अगर गलत है तो भी जरूरी है। यहाँ के लोग इस मंसूबे से आए हैं, मैं माफी चाहता हूँ उनसे और आपसे भी, कि हाउस को नहीं चलाना, ये अगर तय करके आए हैं तो ये डेमोक्रेसी, यू आर किलिंग द डेमोक्रेसी, यू आर किलिंग द डेमोक्रेसी।
नथिंग। तिरुचि शिवा, तिरुचि शिवा, तिरुचि, नथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड नाउ सर। तिरुचि शिवा, तिरुचि शिवा, तिरुचि शिवा, तिरुचि शिवा, तिरुचि शिवा। Sir, you are making again a political speech. You want to misuse the platform, I am telling you. Yes. No. I am very clear about it. Honorable members, I carefully heard the leader of the house. Leader of the house did not say what LOP is saying. Leader of the house said, we must be uniform, we must take one stand, whether suitable to us or not suitable to us, regarding running of the house. You are saying something else. No, sir. And every time, sir, you take few seconds. Sir, this house is privileged. 1 second. Take your seat. Nothing is going on to go. This house is privileged. It has president of the ruling party. It has president of the main opposition party. And this is how we are heading. This is how we are handling our matters. LOP must remember, leader of the house did not say what he is saying. He has to be attentive. Leader of the house said, we must be similar in dealing with situations. No, sir. No, sir. Tiruchi, Mr. Tiruchi, want to say something?
Mike is not.
Mr. Tiruchi. Is it a point of order or an
Yes, sir,
observation?
point of order.
Okay.
And
I'll be happy to deal with it.
Entirely different issue, sir. And sir, kindly let me over. Yes.
And then I'll take business of the day.
Sir, one moment, sir. It's a point of order. Kindly let me over. Yes, sir. It's concerned about all members, not this side or that side.
Under which rule?
Sir, we are you want the rule?
Yeah, point of order has to build a rule.
258, sir.
258.
258.
1 second.
58.
Honorable member, I have before me 258.
Any member may at any time submit a point of order for the decision of the chairman, but in doing so shall confine be the point. I am confining to my point, sir.
No, this. One second. You are a very senior member. Rule 258 says every member has a right to raise a point of order.
Yes, I am asking.
But he has to raise a point of order with respect to another rule.
Yes, sir.
Yes, obviously.
Kindly,
You can
kindly,
read
sir,
it
sir,
again.
sir. Sir, it's an issue, sir. Please, kindly pay.
No, under which rule?
Sir,
I know.
sir, it's-
I know.
Sir, it's-
Every member has a right to raise point of order under Rule 258. But the member has to specify he is referring to which rule which has been infringed.
Let me make it clear, sir. You enlighten me, sir. Any member may at any point of time submit a point of order for the decision of the chairman, but in doing so shall confine himself to stating the point.
They state the
I have the point, sir.
State
Rule
the
is only this. Rule is this.
State
My
the
point,
point.
please. It's very serious, please. Sir, we appreciate that you take so much of efforts to uphold the dignity and decorum of this house. But our dignity is at stake. Sir, we reposing our confidence upon you. We are very much agonized to raise this, sir. One of the member of this house, my party colleague, Mr. Abdullah, when he went to the center hall, he was stopped there asking whether he is an MP. Number two, sir. This is not the first. Please, sir. Sir, I said, lend me your ears. Number second, sir. Sir, number second.
I was with him.
The other day, I forgot a paper of mine. My PS climbed the step and handed it over to me. Later, after I have come into the house, he was called by the security, and I warned him that his ID card will be cancelled. Sir, who gave that? These are all we are experiencing only. Sir, I am more than for 2 decades here, sir.
I have taken
we have
note
never
of it.
experienced
I have
this.
taken note of it.
Kindly see to it, sir.
Sir.
And we need a decent treatment in the parliament premises, sir.
Sir,
It,
मैंने बोल
और राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा के साथ लगातार बाहर देश के बाहर से हो रहे षड्यंत्र के संबंध में राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा का विषय उठा रहे हैं। राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा के संबंध में जो विषय उठा रहे हैं मान्यवर, लगातार देश की सीमा के बाहर से भारत की सुरक्षा
सर, चेयरमैन साहब,
I am taking the listed business. Dr. Lakshmikant Vajpayee to constitute a special commission.
267 में उठाकर हम सदन के माध्यम से देश की जनता तक ये विषय पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, कौन लोग राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा से लगातार षड्यंत्र कर रहे हैं।